welcome to Field to Fork. It's August. Can you believe summer's almost over? But there's so much left of summer, and I wanted to share with you, if you haven't picked up the summer edition of the Ingles Table magazine, go by your local Ingles. In the deli, you will find this magazine loaded with full great recipes, delicious recipes, and Caitlin Baker has one that I've tried. It's a Mexican street corn casserole, and corn is really in season right now. We've had a lot of corn on the farm, but Ingles, they have beautiful corn. You can make this recipe and don't miss out, because you can still get this magazine, and it'll help you create delicious recipes for you and your family. So make sure you go by and get one. Today, I have something special to share with you. It's what's in season, cherry tomatoes. And Ingles makes it so wonderful for me because I can find cherry tomatoes any time of the year. They have a cherry tomato bar. And this is one of my favorites. It's a cherry tomato pasta salad. So let's get started. You need 4 cups of half cherry tomatoes. Just cut them in half, and you can mix them up. Ingles makes it so easy and wonderful because it carries so many varieties, and you can make this so colorful, and I really like that. What I do is I put about 6 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to mix this up, and I'm also going to add about a half a cup of olive oil. This really gets these flavors going, especially with the garlic, the minced garlic. And then my secret to this salad is my salsa, my garlic salsa. It just allows you not to have to cook this pasta salad. You don't have to do anything but get these flavors immersed together, like so. Then I take a little bit of crushed pepper, and we're gonna let this sit and marinate, and I'm gonna go and cook the pasta. It takes about 4 to 6 minutes to cook the angel hair pasta, and we'll be right back to put this together. We've got our pasta. It looks delicious. It's really nice. And now what we're gonna do is just pour this right over the pasta, just like so. We're gonna add some chopped basil. And then we're going to have a little bit of black olives. These sliced black olives gives it a little bit more flavor and color, texture. We'll just all of those. And then the main thing is the cheese. Just add the cheese right over it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk right over here, and I'm going to serve this like so. You're going to just mix up these flavors. Your family's really gonna love this, and you can eat on this for days. So we're gonna just put a little bit of basil on top, and there you have it. This is my summer cherry tomato pasta, and you know, why not pair it with some bread from your local bakery at Ingles? You're really gonna enjoy this, and we'll be right back with my Ingles Table guests.
Oh my gosh, where did you get this?
I got it at Ingles.
No, you didn't.
Yep, Ingles. No way.
I'm telling you, it's the Ingles Bakery.
Okay, fine, don't tell me.
You might not know this, but at the Ingles Bakery, we actually bake things, like crusty breads, delicious apple fritters, cakes for any occasions. It's all in the bag. Ingles, low prices, love the savings.
I made them myself.
No, you didn't.
Welcome back to Field to Fork, and I have my Ingles Table guests, Erin and Kelly.
We're so happy to be here.
Well, welcome back. It's been a year. Can you
Goodness,
believe it?
time
A
flies.
year.
It's been a long time, but we are thrilled to be here.
Well, everybody has seen you on another show. Tell the audience about that show before we get started.
Well, we also host the Southern Table, presented by Ingles Markets. It's a lifestyle show. Erin and I love all things home, fashion, decor, a
Yes.
little
How
thrifty.
fun is that?
And we get to do all this together.
Kind of bringing that upscale look to your home on a budget. It's really, really fun.
Yes.
Well, you do an amazing
Thank
job,
you.
and it's always fun to see what you've created. And so today we're beating the heat. It's
We are.
August.
Yes.
We're finishing up summer, and what a beautiful display here. Tell us what you're doing today.
Well, first of all, we're going to make a little summer mocktail that anyone in your family can enjoy. There's nothing like a fun drink and a fun way to serve
Absolutely.
it. And we're all about
and
that.
for
right?
the kids too.
And just the setup of the drink bar, it just makes all the difference in taking your party to the
Absolutely.
next level.
And you've got so many colors here, and that's what makes it fun, is that you
Yeah.
incorporate all these beautiful summer colors into your theme.
It just makes it more fun and serving more fun. And if you know anything about us, you know we love to jazz it up a little bit
Oh,
when
yes.
it comes to serving. So let's get started on this
Absolutely.
mocktail. So easy. You can do this in minutes. We're going to use a little grenadine in both of these. Erin and I love a pretty drink too.
We do.
A little
I do, too.
mocktail.
And we're all about the
It makes
mocktails
it
this
fun.
season.
It makes it more, come drink
It
me.
is,
Yes.
yes. And gather your girlfriends, hang
Come
out on
on
the back deck,
over.
kind of like we're doing today.
Oh, I'm doing it this afternoon.
Yes,
so-
yes.
She's
Yeah.
going to have a
Plan,
real
so-
party here. Then
We've
you
got
can,
your drink.
Yeah, you can add in your favorite orange drink or even your lemon lime soda of any type. Just pour those right in. I'm going to let Erin do the honors
Oh,
over
yes,
there.
here we
I love
go.
to put her to
There's
work.
nothing
Just
like
right here on your
Exactly.
show. We're putting her to work.
Like a crisp opening of a can.
Yum.
And then we're going to just toss that in for the fizz.
And you'll
more
go over
fizz.
here with this
Okay.
one. And then we're literally just going to add a little lime juice.
So simple.
You can
I
add
love
your
it.
ice
There you go.
afterwards. And then just to kick it up another notch, because that's who we are,
Right.
you could add a little summer cotton candy.
And the
to it.
kids
Oh,
go
my goodness.
wild
Oh,
over
I would
this.
never have
Yes.
thought of
So
that. They go. I bet they go
fun.
wild
The
over it.
presentation is
Look at that.
fun. Of course, it
Look
melts
at
fast,
that.
but then
How
you get those
fun.
flavors.
Got
Oh
that
my
little-
goodness. Okay.
See that
Here,
little-
Kelly,
How
we'll
fun.
share.
We'll
Cheers.
share.
Cheers.
How beautiful are
That
those? Aren't
is.
they beautiful?
So
They are.
fun.
Again, garnish with your favorite fruits, frozen fruits. It's just a great little drink to serve and comes together in seconds.
Absolutely.
And we were just talking about just adding lemonade or tea into a glass and then putting those frozen fruits. Laura Lynn has these fabulous bags of strawberries, blueberries ready to go in Ingles. Pick those up, put those in mason jars with your favorite drinks.
Oh, let's
you can
see those.
create this beautiful
Aren't
ice
these
bucket.
beautiful?
I
Aren't
gotta
these
put
pretty?
my
Grab
hands on
one,
one
yes.
of these.
So we've got a
Yeah.
variety
I'm
of
I'm a
juices.
bold jar girl.
Aren't you?
Yeah,
You
I
are.
can
I feel
walk,
like
so.
it's just
yeah.
so southern. It feels like home.
It
you
really
know?
Well,
does.
it makes it more inviting too when you have a
Yes.
a really nice tub of ice and people are
Oh, my goodness,
yeah they
yes.
want to go to this. I mean, it's
know.
been a hot summer.
It
gosh,
has been
it's
a
like you
very
really
very
need
hot
two of
summer,
these.
and this is very nicely done. And I love fruit. And
Yeah.
I'm all about eating healthy too.
Oh my gosh,
so.
yes.
And
And
the-
this just
yeah.
kind of makes that display. You can add the ice in the bottom, build it up with the mason jars, the fruits, and wow, what a
Right,
staple
yeah.
of your
It is
table.
Absolutely.
beautiful. And the fun thing about these drinks, we love that you can make them ahead of time.
Yes.
So pop the drinks in, pop them in your fridge, and then the day of, add your fresh fruits, and they are
Right.
ready to go. Makes
So
it
good.
so easy.
Let's take it up a notch.
Let's
though,
kick it
right?
up another notch.
One more notch.
One
One
more
more
notch.
notch, and this is it. We promise. Okay, so
Okay,
Erin
go.
and I love the vintage glass.
Yes.
We love to find those wonderful things at thrift stores.
one-of-a-kind
secondhand-
pieces.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
one
want to
of a
be there. You
kind.
need to take
Well,
me.
that's what we're
with
doing
you.
next, a thrifting
We definitely
adventure.
are.
Yes.
And hey, we passed a lot of great ones on the way to
I
your
bet
place
you
today,
did.
so we're taking
it's
you
like,
with us.
We'll have to go back there on our way
We'll
home.
do
We
it.
will.
Yes.
We definitely will. But we love to pick up just one of a kind glasses. You know, a lot
Mm-hmm.
of people shy away from that if they see one or two, and you don't
one-off.
have
Oh, I
a
Yes.
love a
set.
mix.
But
I love them mix
that
up.
just makes
Yeah.
it come to life, and that's where you get to show your personality.
It is.
It's fun.
It's all about that. And we've just mixed just a
Oh, look at
variety
this.
of vintage glassware together here on the table. Erin has her picks. I have mine. We pulled them all together. And when you add your color scheme, it just makes for a really fun
You've
table.
got herbs in here too. So if you've
yes.
got herbs or, Ingles, they have a lot of different herbs that you can pick
Right.
up and just sprinkle on, and in the strawberries and lemon. I mean, you can make it your own. You
And
make
the
it your own
fruit
drink.
at Ingles, they
Oh.
have the pre-cut,
Look at
pre-cleaned,
this.
pre-packaged.
Ready
it
to go.
changes your life. You
And
know?
the
ready to go.
pineapple. I
Oh,
love
so
to get
good,
it.
yes.
The pineapple's great. Yeah.
Absolutely. Ingles has you covered as well on the tea. They've got those gallons of tea
and the
ready to
lemonade,
grab.
Laura Lynn lemonade. So
It
good.
really brings your drink bar together. You're ready to go,
I
aren't
know.
you, at
Here,
this
let's-
party?
Well,
pick
I
up our
think
drinks,
I
Kelly.
think we just need to toast. Here's to beating the heat in August.
You got it.
And happy summer. Make sure your summer really is enjoyable. And I know by making all these drinks for your kids, you're going to have a great time. And thank you guys.
Oh,
Yes, thank
Y'all
you for
always
having
do
us.
a
Cheers.
great job.
We
Cheers.
you.
We love being here. And hey, you can check out more fun by heading to Erin and Kelly on social media as well. We've got a lot of fun little recipes there for you.
You can pick up all their, the Southern Table, that show too. Don't forget to watch their show because it is really good. And we'll be right back.
Did you know Ingles only sells USDA choice and prime cuts of meat? Maybe it's time to reward yourself. Our butchers cut all our meat fresh in the store every day. Grass-fed, organic, you name it. Not only that, we'll even cut it to order just the way you like it. And we grind meat fresh in the store multiple times a day. It's all in the bag. That's the best meat in town for the best folks in town. Ingles, low prices, love the savings.
Okay, if you want to get out and do something fun, this is my travel part of the show, and we're at Tallalah Adventures, and I'm going to go meet with Spencer Turk. So let's go. We're here. We made it to Tallalah Adventures, and I have the pleasure of meeting with Spencer Turk. She's the owner of this facility, a fun facility, I may add. How are you?
I'm great. How are you? I'm so glad you're here. I'm excited to show you around.
Oh, I'm so inspired to be with a young entrepreneur, 27 years old. How about that? With this great fun adventure that you've developed. Tell the audience a little bit how this got started.
Well, I couldn't do it without such an amazing team, but my dad really had this amazing vision. He saw this building sitting here, and it was vacant for many years. It was built in 1978, but it had this amazing yard, which y'all will see in a moment. We have a climbing wall that we've built because we just thought that this space it was begging for a space where people could come and gather and connect and have fun and play, connect with each other and connect with the beautiful nature that surrounds us.
Well, it's just awesome that you redefine the whole purpose of the building, and that's what it's all about, is creating something out of something that would never have been here.
Right.
And you've got so many things going on. Tell the audience what's going on here.
Yeah, so we have this, as I mentioned, this big yard. We've got lots of yard games. So really, we like to say that we have something for everyone. So everyone from the toddler toddling around to the grandparents. So
And also the animals, the dogs. You can
Exactly.
bring your dog here, which I love.
yes, yeah. So we've got the cafe and bar. We're serving up delicious food, cold beer and wine, and great beverages. We also have some delicious food. We've got the climbing wall for kids and adults, and we also have fun events. So we do trivia nights, we have live music, we have workshops, and all kinds of fun stuff happening every week here.
Well, I know it's August, and this is a great way for you and your family to really get out here. You can enjoy all these activities while having your dog here and also listening to music and having really nice food. You have everything in one.
Exactly. Yeah. And then upstairs we have Wander, the retail store, so you can get a little shopping. And then we're located right next to Tallalah Gorge State Park. So there's a swimming area just down the way, and then there's the gorge that way. So there's hiking, there's swimming, there's literally everything you could possibly want.
And who came up with the name of this?
Tallalah Adventures. So my family has always been all about adventure. We actually call ourselves the Adventure Fam. So
Awesome.
that was like a huge part of it. We like to say that you can come start, continue, or end your adventure here at Tallalah Adventures. So our invitation is just whatever adventure means to you. It may mean a simple walk along the lake, or it might mean climbing down all the stairs of the gorge and going down the gorge floor and sliding down Sliding Rock.
Or just relaxing here
relaxing
and
and
listening to
having
the
a beer.
music and taking some
Exactly.
downtime, or maybe the kids can play while the parents are having some good food or
Yeah.
listening to the bands.
or having a sip and paint class. So really whatever adventure means for you, we hope we have it here for you.
Well, Spencer, that sounds so exciting. I know you must be so happy with this whole adventure.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Hi, Abby. Welcome to Tallalah Adventures.
Maria, this looks amazing.
I wanted to bring you out a few of our classics and new items and just share with you a little bit about our menu.
Well, let's hear about it. I can't wait. You know I'm all about the food.
Oh, I know it. Well, so I thought that I would show you some of our specials.
Awesome.
This is our Walenda Club. It is probably our best seller for sure at the restaurant, and
That looks
it's
amazing.
a classic here with Walenda across the gorge. Our wings are something that we smoke in-house.
Really?
Yes, we have a great smoker. We do all of our pork and all of our wings.
Amazing. I
Daily.
love local. I love that you put your own heart into creating your own food.
Well, we really truly take pride in it. We want to make the best
Exactly.
experience for all of our people here. This is a new menu item for the summer. It is a curry chicken salad. It's super fresh and delicious. It's got cranberries and
Something lighter.
apples,
Something lighter
lighter.
where, you know, if somebody's on a diet or watching what they eat, at least you have healthy choices,
We do.
which is good.
We do. We also make sure that we always have food for vegetarians and vegans, as well as plenty of protein options for the meat eaters.
I'm sure you having a food background like mine, what is your role here, Maria?
My role here is general manager, but I also function as the executive chef and oversee the kitchen operations.
Absolutely. You're an asset because you have so much knowledge, and that means a lot for anyone that doesn't know Maria. She had the Sky Burger and has a lot of years behind creating dishes like these. So I'm very impressed, and it looks great.
Well, good. Well, bon appetit. Enjoy, and thank you again, Abby, for being here.
Absolutely. I want to ask you, tell the audience how to find you, where you're located, and your website.
So we are here located in Tallalah Falls, Georgia. We're directly across from Tallalah Falls State Park, Tallalah Gorge State Park. And our website is TallahAdventures.com. We're also on Instagram and Facebook, Tallalah Adventures. You can find us.
And you know what? Thank you so much for having us here. And all I have to say is that thank you for joining us today on Field of Fork, and get outside. It's August, and enjoy the rest of the summer. And we appreciate all our guests, the Ingles Table, and just make it fun and make the summertime last forever if we can.
Right.
We'll try to, right?
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.